Hi guys, it's me Monroe, and today we have another dumpling. I know guys, it keeps going on this trail. So I'm just gonna start a new series about dumplings because I get them every single day. I got the rainbow one, the mystery one of this series, and I was so happy. If you didn't watch that video, go watch that video. And it was and this is so cool, but it smells like petrol. Okay, this was $12, but thankfully my mum paid. Okay. Oh, and I hope. Okay, so I've got it. I'll be the only happy duplicate that I want. The duplicate that I want is the mystery one. Okay, so I want all the colors, but I don't want white. All the colors except for white. And why is this taped? Remember when it was taped, there was a good sign, but Loki, I think all the other ones were taped too. I think this is taped so that you can't see it. And then there's another one. This one's very hard to get off. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that and go okay, 3, 2, 1. I got the mystery one again!
But it's a different one though, isn't it?
Oh my god! My luck is so good! Mom, I got the mystery!
Oh, I think the whole neighbourhood heard that.
Oh my gosh, my luck is so good! I have 4 mystery dumplings. My luck is so good! And this actually looks like a different one from this one. This one's way better than this one. But I low-key like the feeling better of this one. But this one still feels really good. I got the glitter! I mean, the mystery. The other faces are different. I got them from the same packaging. But I got 4 mystery dumplings! Look at all the colors. It's green, yellow, pink, blue, purple. That's it for today. Bye.